your dining and living room where you can place your sofa. As you can see, the kitchen is very spacious. You can place your king and queen size bed along with the side table.
Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. My name is Purva and today we will be doing the sample flat tour of the residential project Rising City by Hubtown Limited located in Ghatkopar. As you can see, we are standing at the actual location of the project right in front of the sales office. And from here you can see the actual towers and the actual land parcel of our project. We will be getting into all the details of this project, but first let me tell you what is Housey. Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects developers directly to the home buyers, thereby giving you a bottom rate price. Unlike other current listing platforms where if you do an inquiry, your number is shared with different brokers, resulting in a lot of phone calls. But Housey is one such real estate platform where listing is done directly by the developer. So book your dream home today with your favorite developer through Housey. Talking about the project overview, this project is spread across the land parcel of 6 acres, having 6 towers with G plus 2 level of podium plus 19 habitable floors, having 2 BHK, 2.5 BHK and 3 BHK residences. Talking about the location and connectivity, this project is located bang on Ghatkopar-Mankund Link Road off Eastern Express Highway, from where Eastern Express Highway is 2 to 3 minutes drive, Ghatkopar Railway Station is 15 minutes drive, Chembur Railway Station is 5 kilometers away and D-Mart is only at a distance of 2 kilometers from the project. Talking about the amenities, this project has 30 plus amenities with adult swimming pool, kids swimming pool, gym, amphitheater, multi-purpose hall, steam and sauna, movie theater and many more amenities. Now let's begin with the sample flat tour of our project. So now we are standing at the actual lobby of Rising City. As you can see, this is the actual lobby where you will get 4 lifts and 7 flats on each floor, and we will be showing you the 3 BHK of Rising City. This 3 BHK is spread across the carpet area of 945 square feet, and let's begin with the actual flat tour and see what the builder has provided. As we enter, you will get a foyer area, and over here we have a kitchen next to the foyer. As you can see, the kitchen is very spacious where you will get 2 parallel platforms and a stainless steel sink. You will also get ventilation windows in the kitchen. You can customize your cabinets, and over here you can place your refrigerator. Moving forward, this will be your dining and living room where you can place your sofas, your center table and customize your TV units. You will get half French windows with a glass facade in the living room to give you a beautiful view. Over here, you can place your dining table of 4 to 6 people and enjoy meals with your family. Right over here, we have our first common bedroom that is very spacious to place a queen and king size bed along with the side tables, and you can customize your wardrobe space. Also, you will get half French windows and a glass facade in this common bedroom. And also, you will get a lifetime open view from this bedroom. Moving forward, over here, you have washing machine space provided to place your washing machine. And right opposite to it is our first master bedroom, which is spacious enough to place your bed, side tables and customize your study corner if you like. You can customize your wardrobe space, and over here you will also get half French windows with a glass facade for a beautiful view. This is the attached washroom of this master bedroom that comes with anti-slip tiles and all the high-end wall fittings. Moving forward, as I mentioned, here is your washing machine space, right next to which we have a common washroom that comes with anti-slip tiles and high-end wall fittings.
Before moving forward, let me tell you what Housey gives you. Housey gives you sample flat tours, we give you actual location tours, we tell you the pros and cons of the project and give you full pricing including EMI and down payment plans. We also give you a 360-degree view of the project. And then if you like the project, you can book your own free site visit by registering on housey.com. Now let's move to the bigger master bedroom of this 3 BHK. As we enter, you can see you'll get a foyer area that gives your bedroom full privacy. And over here, you can place your king and queen size bed along with the side tables and customize your wardrobe space. Over here, you will also get half French windows with a glass facade for an unobstructed view for lifetime. And over here, we have the attached washroom that comes with anti-skid tiles and all the high-end wall fittings. So this was the 3 BHK sample flat tour of the project Rising City. If you like the project, you can download the e-brochure by clicking on the link mentioned in the description below. At last, I would like to ask you just one question. You have been watching our videos, and how do you like our videos and what changes should be made? Do let us know in the comments, and don't forget to follow and subscribe Housey for more such sample flat videos. So everyone, this was the 3 BHK sample flat tour of the residential project Rising City located in Ghatkopar by Hubtown Limited.
If you have any queries related to pricing, plans, offers, booking process or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project sample flat tour videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.